B for C for cat means D for dog means E for elephant means F for fish means G for girl means H for horse means घोड़ा I for ice cream means ice cream J for joker K for kite means पतंग L for lion means M for mango means N for next means घोंसला O for owl means उल्लू P for parrot means very good.